If you're 50 or older, I got a question for you. Can $1,000 a day change the way you live your life right now? If your answer is yes, then this is your video. This is your video. If you've tried those MLMs, you've gone already through a whole lot if you're 50, and you've been online and trying to make money. You've tried the MLMs, didn't work. You've tried DMing people, didn't work. You've tried it all. Now, what if there is a way for you to run a business right here on TikTok without DMing people, without calling people, without disturbing your friends and relatives, but you are able to make daily pay? You are making money every single day. What if there is that way? Well, that's what I'm inviting you to. I'm inviting you to a way that I have found that is teaching me how to make $1,000 or more every day. You're going to learn how to market on TikTok. You're going to learn how to attract people to your video. And people will start coming to you instead of you going to them. If this interests you, then comment how, and I'll be glad to share this information with you. That's it. Now, if you want to learn more right now while I'm driving, this is what I have to share with you. I've found a way to automate things. I've learned to automate things because automation is the key. At my age, I don't want to be the one who is going to look for one person after another when there is automations all over me. I don't want that anymore. I don't want to be calling people, bugging people just to find that one person who is interested in what I have to offer. Why not put out a video like this one? And those who are interested can come to me. And I can show them exactly what's making me money and what's teaching many people around the world how to make money by them being first interested. Now, what if I tell you that you can automate even further? And that's what I want you to experience, automation. If you comment how on this video, I'm going to show you, I'm going to send you to a page, I'll send you information. I'm going to share the information that is going to show you what you can do to take the people who are interested in what you have to offer and take them through different automations. Those who go to your website can enter their email and your automation kicks in. It's not you, but your automation. Something that you set up once and it is now working for you for years to come. That is number one. Good automation of funnel or website. Now, apart from that, you can automate. Here, this may be on, if you're watching this video on TikTok, you may not automate this video or these comments on TikTok. But if you're on Facebook, on a Facebook page, you can automate the comments, which means, again, old man, woman, you are not the one doing all these things. Your automations on Facebook, you can bring people from the comments into conversations. So, and the conversation can be taken care of by your automations. So, this is pretty simple, straightforward, where you take people from comments into conversations and sales without you being involved at all. All you gotta be doing is make simple videos like this. Can you make a video like this? Or even if it's faceless, right? Even if it's faceless, let's try faceless. All right, so you can make a video where you're telling people they can make money from the comfort of their homes. And it can be faceless. You don't want to show your face? Fine. This is working wonders for so many people. A lot of people don't want to don't want to show their faces, so they go faceless. And this is what you are going to be doing as well, if that is your choice. Me, I choose to show my face, and also, of course, I do some faceless. It depends on the circumstance. Okay, then I can do that. So this is what you're going to learn. Just give me a second or something.
Good morning.
Hey, good morning. Yeah, let me get a medium hot coffee with cream and sugar.
Okay.
And also give me a toasted raisin bagel with cream cheese.
You know what, right? Okay, let's do that quickly.
All right.
Yeah.
No, that's it. Thanks. And it's okay. You can be driving through and make a video. You can be playing with your grandkids and make a video. And that video can live online and make you money for years to come. So, I'm here on TikTok, Facebook, YouTube, you name it. And make these videos while I'm doing the things that I love. Let the videos do what they have to do. No pressure. 1 view, 2 views, 1 good view, 1 good man, 1 good woman, 1 good old woman.
Hi.
Hey, how you go? Yep. 1 good view, 1 good. All right, thank you. And that's just how it works. You get one person to be interested, and that one person could be the money you need for the day. And that's it. That's just how it works. It's not complicated at all. And if you're interested to learn more, comment how, and I'll be glad to share that information with you. So I got my Dunkin'. Now it's time for me to enjoy my breakfast. And I'll see you in my next video. Comment how now, and let me show you what's making me excited to make videos. Alright? Okay, let's join the road.